carbs while our sweet potatoes are in the oven cooking. Very easy is cooking your brown rice. So I have here 2 cups of, I've pre-washed this rice here. I rinse it, and then I have another 3 cups in here of water. So what I do before I put my rice in is I just put one of the Ectomorph tablets inside, and you can also put some just some sea salt if you want, about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, and then I just pour in my rice. Now some people like to add about a tablespoon of olive oil or maybe some butter. Again, we like to use a lot of olive oil in our house, so that's what I'm going to be using. And just give it a stir. And this rice will go very nicely with your cooked salmon or your chicken. It's just so easy. Anybody can do this. Stir. And that's all.